to show you how this double acting cylinder works. Okay guys, so as you see, this is the air. So it means when you put the signal here, it's retract. Okay, so why we put this one here? Observe guys, it will extend. Okay, so that's how this double acting cylinder works. Okay, how pipe two-way directional valve works. Okay guys, for this one we need air supply, and this our air supply here, and with this our pipe two-way valve, and this our solenoid. One output here and the other one there. Okay, so this is the setup of pipe two-way. I'll show you how to test this double acting cylinder with pipe two-way valve manually, okay, by pushing this one here. Okay, extend, retract, extend, retract. Okay guys, this one here. And now we will test with the solenoid. Okay, power. Okay, like this. Okay, extend, retract. So it means now retract, it means our air here. Okay, okay, now when we energize this one, the power, the air now is here. Here. Okay, that's how it works guys. This position, so our air is here, that's why this one is retract, and this one here will bend, it will bend here. Okay, so when energized, our air is here, so this one will bend here. So in this position our air is here, that's why extend, and this one exhaust here. Okay, exhaust here. Now the energize air from this one, then it will bend here. So there's the bend here. That's how this pipe two-way valve works. Okay, and like this.